Hi, it's Ken Barrett. Over a little bit of a longer video today. I might break it into a couple of them, but what we're going to do is the big thing with the Empower Network blog is a lot of people running different companies, selling different products online wonder, how can I use this? Even brick and mortar companies wonder, how can I use this? You know, I don't need another website, that sort of stuff. What I want to show you is just how easy it is to set this up and be able to make it your own. So we're logged in here onto my main page. We head up into here and we want to add a new blog. So say, you know, I want to sell whatever, you know, they call the, you know, let's just say we're going to sell Ken's work at home business. So that's what we're going to call it. You know, we pick it up, it's available to the Empower Network. Hit next. So it's there. So we got it up here. We go up to Ken's work at home business. Hang on, we're not quite there yet. Okay, so we just stepped through how to set up a new blog. There's a little bit of a gap there. I just put it on pause. It took about 10 or 15 minutes. You know, we go over to Google here, and it was just give me an alarm while it waited to refresh. But now that it's refreshed, you know, there it is. Ken's work at home business at empowernetwork.com. Totally separate blog, brand new, nothing to it. It doesn't tie into the other ones I have at all. It's its own separate link. So what we want to do from here is we want to start, you know, just personalizing it. We want it to fit whatever business you're selling. You can leave some of these links up here. You can take them down. So we go over and we hit the plus sign up here. That drops down some of the different things. It's dark here, which shows that this is the blog we're working on. We have various colors, such like that. One of the new things here is a theme picker. You can add your own pictures, or you can just change the theme completely. So you want to preview this one down here. Takes a second to come up. It's refreshing, so now, you know, we've got something that's a completely different look to it. Excuse me. We can, you know, go back at any time. If you want to activate this one, let's go ahead and throw that one in. Like I said, we can change it at any time. We can add our own graphics to the top, etc. So we hit activate. Just a second to refresh. I'm working my little portable computer pretty hard today. There we go. So we hit the plus again. You know, now you're still on here, so we can work through different things. Navigation bar, we want to turn off Power Network branding. Probably want to leave your blog search bar on there. As you get a number of blogs in, it'll let people search for stuff that interests them. These tabs across here, we can leave them on, we can take them off. Any one of these, leadership vision. Now we can add our own links into here. Say, for example, you want to add your Facebook page. So we're going to Facebook. We're going to my business page. Right here. A few different ones, depending on different businesses, etc. So we get into here, just copy that. Jump back over to our blog. Paste that in there. Type in Facebook. Save the changes. Roll down here, we get the Facebook link. We click that, it takes us right to our Facebook business page. Excuse me. So it's simple as that to customize these. You can, you know, leave these on here with some of the Empower Network stuff, or take them off, whatever you want to do. SEO options. This is where you want to put in information on here. Meta tag titles, text what's going to appear. This one here, you know, we're just going to put in just some simple stuff. Ken's work at home. Don't do 9 to 5. Get your own home business. about that, just had a phone call. Okay, so don't do the 9 to 5, get your own home-based business and make it work for you. You know, again, there's a variety you put in here, there's other training, etc. on how to put in here to really get it tagged. One moment. Okay, sorry about that, more phone calls. So down here we just want to put in some keywords. Work at home. You know, throw in whatever you need there. Google Analytics, there's another training one that covers how to get that back in there, so we'll deal with that another time. But I want to save that. Then you work your way across some of the various things here. You do need to have things in here, again, because it is backed by Empower. You want to leave some of these to give some information on earnings, privacy, etc. You may want to just change this contact information here, something more of your own, and you can add in, you know, the support text. You know, depending on whatever company you're dealing with, you can put that information in there, and then you can change your copyright, take this off, and put in Ken Barrett 2014. There we go. Down the bottom, save that one. It's easy enough to go back. You can just copy that from another blog if you want to change it. Page customization. Manage your blog statics pages. So we're not going to get into this one on this particular topic. We're just trying to cover some of the basic stuff. Now, setting up your custom domain. Try and give the people the name, you know, Ken dash. This is, right now, this is what we've got as our domain name. Ken-s-work-home-business.empowernetwork.com. That's going to be way too hard for people to deal with, so we'll get rid of that. And we'll go over to GoDaddy and look at some of the, you know, pick up whatever domain name you already have. I have some various different ones for laundry, some real estate ones, some simple Ken Barrett ones. So what we can do is go back to the screen here. You know, let's grab one. Okay, sleepmoney.info. We'll launch that. It's asking for the domain name. So we're going to copy this domain name from here, put it over into here. It's available. Hit next. And then it steps through. We're going to need this information here, the CNAME value. With GoDaddy, we don't need that last period. So you can copy it all or copy it and just miss that one. We're going to copy this, put our domain details. And what we want to do is go down here to the www. What we want to do is change that. We need to edit that first. Okay, hit the edit button up here. Make sure we're on the right page. Not going to get us too far. We go down and we remove, hit the pencil on there, remove that. Control V, we want to go there, roll down the bottom, save the zone file. Okay. So with GoDaddy, it may take up to, you know, an hour to 48 hours. A lot of times it's pretty quick. It all depends on how busy they are and how many people are signing up to our Empower Network blog and redirecting. So that one's back in there. Refresh this screen. So that's Sleep Money info. Right now, I've actually got it forwarded somewhere else, so we're going to have to change that one. I'll leave it there just for the details of this one. Go back in here, verify the custom domain. You can't verify it yet because, again, the GoDaddy one hasn't got it linked out. But you can see there that it's forwarding through to that one. So a couple of refresh on that one and it should give us an OK. From there, we'll just go back. We'll leave that, let it refresh for a while. And just jumped over the wrong one. That's my buying only laundromat template. Again, I'm running this one pretty hard. So. That plus will drop down for us. We'll get back to Ken's Work at Home Business. There's the page. So again, you're taking off the Empire Network branding, all that other stuff. The other method you can use on this, which I've done previously as well, if you get into the theme picker, you can actually change the top link on these. So getting back into the main template, this box up top here, let's activate that one. This goes back into the default one. But the actual box up at the top, the header on it, that is a linkable location. So we can put in here and put a title and destination and change this picture. So where you'll see the difference there, we go back into the one, for example, buying and owning a laundromat. You'll see that I've already changed this around. Now I still left the Empower Network branding on there. We've still got some of the other things down the side, but you can see if I click onto this, it's going to take me into my network, because that's the direct sign up to sign up for the blogs, because I'm already signed up. It takes me right back where I am. Someone else is the link there, it would bring them into the sign up page. So hope that's helped. It's really that easy to set up numerous blogs. You know, I go back to my main blog here. It takes a second to refresh and it comes back up. You know, it's got my latest posts up there. This comes up as my main Empower Network just because we're editing here, but to get into this, you actually type in kenbarrett.us and it will bring you right into this blog, and you can see all of my different blog posts we've put up and all the different training we've got there. So again, you can use this, you know, when you click onto here, that could say, you know, whatever your product is. Instead of having, you know, your web page at Ken Barrett at, or buy at nameyourbrandhere.com, you have your own personalized web page based on a domain you pick. Once people get in here, you explain what the benefits are, give them some information about who you are, how you got here. You know, I've got a bunch of information. People want to get to know you. Fill that out there, and then this main top one, you'd be a big button up here that says buy now. People click on that and it takes you right into your sales site. So it's that simple, it's customizable, and you know, as we've seen up there, you can have as many of these as you want. If you want to sell 16 different products, have 16 different websites and 16 different blogs, it really only takes a few minutes. This whole recording I'm into, you know, under 15 minutes to set it up, customize it, and have it ready to go. So hope you enjoyed this, and you get it and build your business. Again, it doesn't matter what you're selling. I'm running laundromats. I'm using the Empower Network blog as a basis to get my information out there, provide training for other laundromat owners, and you know, sell some of my products, that my systems that I built in my laundromats. So again, there's colors, everything else you can change. It's that simple. So it's cheaper than it's going to cost you to post a WordPress blog, and you'll be over there messing with that for hours. This one, you just click on a few things, put in some pictures, and it's yours. So link below, you can sign up and get started on this. We'll see you in a while.